Seed starting is an essential step in gardening that sets the foundation for healthy and vigorous plants. Creating your own seed starting soil mix allows you to tailor it to the specific needs of your plants, providing them with a nutrient-rich, well-draining, and disease-free environment. In this video, we will guide you through the process of making the best seed starting soil mix. To create the best seed starting soil mix, you will need the following ingredients. Seed starting mix base. Peat moss retains moisture, provides aeration, and is lightweight. Vermiculite improves moisture retention and drainage. Perlite enhances aeration and improves drainage. Nutrient additives, optional. Composted organic matter adds nutrients and improves soil structure. Worm castings, rich in beneficial microbes and nutrients. Well-rotted compost provides a slow-release source of nutrients. Amendments, optional. Dolomite lime balances soil pH. Greensand adds trace minerals. Rock phosphate provides phosphorus. Tools, large container or bucket for mixing. Trowel or garden fork for blending ingredients. Measuring cup or scoop for accurate measurements. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make the best seed starting soil mix. Prepare the base mix. In a large container or bucket, combine equal parts of peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. For example, you can use 1 gallon of each component. Mix the components thoroughly, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Break up any clumps and remove debris. Add nutrient additives, optional. If desired, add composted organic matter, worm castings, or well-rotted compost to the base mix. Use approximately 1 part nutrient additive for every 4 parts of the base mix. Blend the additives into the base mix until well incorporated. Incorporate amendments, optional. To adjust the soil pH and add trace minerals, you can include dolomite lime and greensand. Add these amendments at a rate of 1 tablespoon per gallon of base mix. If you want to provide a slow-release phosphorus source, mix in rock phosphate at a rate of 1 tablespoon per gallon of base mix. Thoroughly blend the amendments into the mix to ensure even distribution. Storage and moisture conditioning. Once the seed starting soil mix is prepared, transfer it to a sealable container or plastic bags. Label the container with the date and contents for future reference. Before using the mix, moisten it by gradually adding water while mixing. The mix should be damp but not saturated. Allow the mix to rest for a day or two to stabilize moisture levels before sowing seeds. Tips for using seed starting soil mix. Fill clean seed trays, pots, or containers with the seed starting soil mix. Moisten the mix in the containers before planting seeds. Follow the recommended planting depth and spacing for each type of seed. Place the containers in a warm and well-lit area, providing adequate ventilation. Regularly monitor moisture levels and water gently as needed to prevent overwatering or drying out. Once seedlings have developed a few sets of leaves, they can be transplanted into larger containers or directly into the garden. Making your own seed starting soil mix allows you to customize it according to the specific needs of your plants, giving